Want to build a website search performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our search data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our search performance data, identifying the most important metrics and relationships. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations including top search queries by clicks, daily trends for impressions and clicks, performance by page name, click-through rates, and position analysis. Our website search performance dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 detailed data tables showing page summaries and top CTR queries. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for a clean, distraction-free view perfect for sharing insights with stakeholders. The full-screen layout highlights our key search metrics beautifully, making it easy to present findings to any audience. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, dive deeper into the data, and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.